Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox and review HUAWEI GT 2 Pro smartwatch. This is how the packaging looks like. Pretty nice. Now let's open it up. And here it is. Here is the smartwatch itself, nice and shiny. Now let's check out the accessories. Let's open this one up. First thing that we see is the wireless charger. Here is the Type-C cable. And some paperwork. And here is the watch itself. First impressions are very positive. The watch feels really good in hand and the build quality looks rock solid. The leather band feels nice in the hand. It is also detachable and you can change it really easily. And on the back plate you can see all the sensors. So this is the unboxing part. Now let's move forward with the review. HUAWEI have done a great job on choosing the materials for this smartwatch. The front is made out of sapphire glass, the back is made out of ceramic and the frame is titanium. Looks like it is built to last. It has AMOLED display with 326 pixel density and it looks really nice, even on bright conditions. The battery of this watch is enormous 455 milliamps and on paper it should last about 2 weeks. On my rough use during the test period I got about 1 week of battery life. This is plenty enough for this kind of smartwatch. For operation system it has HUAWEI Lite operation system, which is fairly simple to use. And for the chipset it has Kirin A1. It doesn't feel the fastest, but it's totally fine. The interface also looks pretty good, with a lot of features like sleep tracking, heart rate, stress levels, compass, etc. You can even make phone calls with it, and it sounds pretty good to be honest. It costs about 250 euros, and for this price you will get an amazing looking smartwatch, and I think it's totally worth its money. If you are on a budget, then you could look for GT2 version, which is about 160 euros. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.